Welcome to 1320 Campbell Lane, Hoffman Estates. We've got a special treat for you. Over 2,300 square feet of living space in this two-story home at a price point that is the best value in Hoffman, $275,000. Let's go inside and I'll show you guys around. We know buyers love open floor concepts, so that's exactly what we took into mind on this property. On the first floor, we replaced all the flooring with a waterproof 12 mil laminate floor. We know that fireplaces are always focal points in any home. We took that into account by adding a new tile hearth, tile surround, and shiplap from mantle all the way to the ceiling. We also painted all of the existing brick to match the wall color. Throughout the rest of the home, we gave it a fresh coat of paint, had it professionally cleaned so it's move-in ready. If you're a seller or an investor looking to get top dollar for your home or investment, give us a call.